Cat back, and today I will be showing you guys my my new home, my new apartment. Like, I'm so excited to share with you guys. This has been a journey. My first apartment I had to move into due to a couple of, you know, family reasons and things like that. So I had to move like immediately type stuff. Now I actually had the time to sit down and really search for a new place. So I finally got something that I've really wanted, and now I'm here to show you guys what I came up with and my new apartment. So you can just look through the video. I only did it really quick because everybody was already like coming to bring the moving things, like all my stuff that I had to move out the old one here. So I just had to give a quick a quick view of my new house. So pretty much in the clips, they're really quick, but I promise you guys the furnished apartment tour will be longer, and I'll actually go into detail and everything like that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. But let's get right into the video.
Guys, that's my U-Haul. You guys see where I used to stay in Lawrenceville. I used to live in Gwinnett. Now I'm moving to the city, and I'm so excited. I always said I would never move to the city, but look, here I go, moving to the city. So yeah, just giving you guys a glimpse of my U-Haul truck going to where I currently stay, getting all of my stuff and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys on the way to where I stay. What if I don't know how to open my own door? Does she lock the top? Okay guys, so this is my room. Come in. Alright y'all, so this is my room. This is the bathroom. The only thing I don't like, them lights is dull as crap, but this is the bathroom. I look hurt y'all because I've been moving all day, but let me show y'all before all my stuff come in. So this is like the little laundry room. This comes into the living room area. I really like these lights right here. Look at the studio lights, because they look so good. Like, oh, I'm just so excited. Y'all, this is a major upgrade. I used to have them old school freaking thingies. Now I got the ones like that. So I'm lit. These studio lights are beautiful. And then right here I'm gonna have my table for like my my lip gloss table, my eating table. This is the outside area. It's like pretty big. Yeah, my couch, my doggy stuff. I'm gonna show y'all the view from here. This is the whole full kitchen, like the whole kitchen. It looks so good. It's like a studio type thingy majiggy. So now we're gonna bring you in to the my bed, y'all. When I tell y'all, this is just the empty. Like, this is just the empty. Wait till I do the for real ski, the furnished. Y'all gonna be like, what? So my last bathroom had like a tub and stuff, but I like this better. Like, I like this. And y'all, hold up. This is the moment. This closet is lit. It's lit. This thing is huge. Like, I'm gonna just line my shoes on the floor, hang my clothes up, put my Louis and my Fendi up there. But yeah, this is like amazing. Like, this is crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of clips of me putting stuff back up and everything like that. So yeah, catch you guys later. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my unfurnished house tour. I love you guys so much. I just had to do these quick intro and outro real quick because I was unable to edit them on the actual day that I did this tutorial. I mean, on the actual day that I did the house tour. So sorry about that, but I'm getting to you now. Yeah, so my next video dealing with my new apartment will be the actual furnace. I do have new furniture now. I've been in here for like maybe four days now.
So yeah, it is a little bit furnished. I'm waiting on a couple more things. I'm waiting on my bar stools and my tables and my mirrors. After that, I'll be ready to give you guys the full furnished apartment tour, and I can't wait to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.